Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the Gem on Surface tool in Matrix. This tool allows you to place gemstones accurately on curved or complex surfaces without damaging the form of the model or leaving the gem floating above the surface. First, select the surface where the gemstone will be placed. The quality of this surface is very important. A clean and smooth surface will always give you a more professional result. Next, activate the Gem on Surface command. At this stage, you can define the gemstone type, size, and position. Matrix automatically aligns the gemstone with the surface normal, ensuring the correct angle and orientation. Now, carefully adjust the height and depth of the gemstone. The stone should not sink too deeply into the surface, and it should not sit too high either. This balance is crucial for clean stone setting and proper manufacturing. After placing the gemstone, check its position from different views: top view, perspective view, and side view, to make sure the stone is centered, aligned, and seated correctly. The Gem on Surface tool is especially useful when working with curved, angled, or organic surfaces, and it is commonly used in modern and minimalist ring designs. Finally, once the gemstone is placed correctly, you can use it as a reference to create seats, prongs, or other setting elements, and continue with the rest of your jewelry design. Thank you for watching, and let's get started.